Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to switch to the new Outlook on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, as you can see, we are currently on the legacy Outlook desktop application, but we want to now switch to the updated version. How do we do that? So on the top right corner of the application, we actually have Legacy Outlook, which is currently on. If I were to, let's just say, turn this off, this will take us to the new Outlook, which we will see on screen. And there we go. If we want to, let's just say, change back to Legacy Outlook, click on that. Another way we can switch to the new Outlook is to go to Outlook, untick Legacy Outlook. This will take us to the new Outlook, which we have on screen right now. So we can quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.